Okay guys, so welcome to today's video. I'll be solving what the SecIO quiz for today. Now if you don't even know what SecIO is, just ensure what you check down my description box. SecIO is a crypto platform that they're about to release their native token, which will be launching in this Q4 of 2024. Make sure that you check the description box for the playlist and watch the full tutorial video on how to mine SecIO so you don't miss out. This airdrop is going to pay us millions of USDT. So quickly now, let's head today into the answers for today. What is spot trading? Buy and sell crypto in real time. So now these are the answers. Now let's quickly go. Now before you can do it, ensure what when you come to this quiz, ensure what you tap on what watch and like. So once you tap on watch and like, it will lead you to the YouTube. Then you watch the video for like 2 minutes. Then you come back and start quiz and get the answers for me. Ensure what you subscribe and drop me a thank you in the comment section, guys. So quickly now, let's head straight into it. Number 1 answer. This is the answer. Like a reality TV. Then number 2. This is it, like a roller coaster ride. Then number 3, this is it, a strategy in a place. And that's it, guys. We tap on check and you see we got it correctly and we're about to claim our SecIO point. So guys, you can see we got it correctly. The answer is correct. We tap on claim. Ensure what you subscribe and drop me a thank you in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching.